busier since you said I'm going to start talking.
Recording everything.
Yeah.
Hi guys and girls. Today I've got for you the FK2 Civic Type R GT. Is it GT, isn't it?
Yeah.
I just make sure. So this one's 2017. Yeah.
Yep.
It's not a late 16.
I had to think. Well, it's a late 16, technically 17.
So he's on a 65 plate.
It's a 66 plate.
66. Right, but registered in 2017.
Yes.
Fabulous. So this car belongs to my good friend Dean. It's in black. I've forgotten what the black code is. Crystal black.
Yep. Crystal black.
Yeah, black car. I'm fucking lost on this one. So standard, these are 306 horsepower, 399 or 400 newton-meters of torque. This one isn't. Well, you dying to do it?
No, I haven't. I keep telling myself there's no point until I've finished.
No, that makes sense. There's no point in.
But I haven't finished it.
Yeah, 100% makes a point. But then, at the same point, no project's ever finished.
No.
Anyway, right. So it's got an E-Venturi V2 intake, AirTech. Is it AirTech?
Yeah.
Front end cooler. Obviously, it's going to be front end cooler. It's not rear end cooler.
Big boost pipe kit. I forgot to tell you that.
Is that?
Big boost pipe kit.
Is that E-Venturi?
No, that's the AirTech.
Oh, okay, fair enough. Might as well just let him do it. Remus exhaust, valved one, so you can control the volume on it. Yeah, Team Echo wing deflectors, you all know how I feel about them, they're shite. Carbon vents, carbon mirrors, a few carbon bits in the interior. Obviously you're going to have to apologise for the wind.
And everyone can see how short I am compared to why it suits me and you.
Probably look good. I'm going to say it, sounds fucking shit. He likes it. I don't like turbo cars. It's quite simple. I'm an old school Honda guy. You know, my first Honda was a 1988 Civic EF. You know, not a VTI sadly. Little 16, little D16 orders that rev their nuts off. I've no torque and no actual power. So guys, this wind has probably really destroyed this video. It's terrible. I will obviously get the mic hopefully sooner rather than later, and that will make things a bit easier, or maybe the weather will improve. So yeah, that's Dean's FK2 Civic Type R. Pretty cool car. Do you like that sort of thing? I put out I don't like it that much. It's a good car. I do like it. It's just not me. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you later.